Hey, so I'm here in South Korea now, in Seoul, and it's super nice here so far. And I just made it to this castle. I'm not even going to try to pronounce these names, but I'm here anyway.
This is Changgyeong-gung.
Changgyeong-gung?
Changgyeong-gung. Gung is palace.
Ah,
Changgyeong is the name.
Oh, okay. It wasn't.
Here it is. Changgyeong Palace.
So you pronounce it Changgyeong?
Changgyeong.
Changgyeong Place. Palace.
Yes.
Wow. Okay, it wasn't that hard anyway. When I read it, I'm like, wow. What? Like, how do I even pronounce this?
See, this is very last of the
Yeah.
alphabets.
It's a very long name.
Yeah.
Are you going on a tour?
Yeah, guided tour.
Ah, that's nice.
But it's in Korean, so you cannot.
I won't understand much. Okay, nice. It wasn't that hard after all, but I'm a dyslexic, so for me, it's when I see a word like that, I'm like, oh, where do I even start? Like, yeah, and it's just awkward if you pronounce everything super wrong. And anyway, we're here now. Wow. I'm just amazed by all the work they done here, like the handcrafts. Yeah, very skilled carpenters. Wow. Of these bonsai trees, like a tiny tree. They're very friendly here already. I met 4 different people that I just started to talk to, and they speak pretty good English actually, even the old timers. So that's really nice to be able to speak to some locals, because in Japan I was super hard. I couldn't. There was not many people that I could talk to, unfortunately. I see the cat again. So right now I'm walking through this traditional old Korean village. It's a lot of tourists here. I walked past for another part of this, and there was no tourists there, so that looks pretty cool. Hello. How are you? Everyone here is so friendly. Hello. How are you? Hello. Hello. How are you? You alright? What? Oh, that was weird. He just hugged me from some reason. What the fuck was that about? That was so strange. Why did he give me a hug? And he said, that was very strange. You have to watch out for some scams. I don't know what that was really. I think he was maybe a bit drunk or something, but sometimes they have some sketchy scams where they either pour something on your backpack to make you take off your backpack, and then they swap it, or there's some scams out there that you have to watch out for, or they try to take your necklace or so, or even something in your pocket. Someone distract you, and some other person come and grab something from your backpack or your pockets. Anyway, after that meeting with the old timer that tried to give me a hug there, in the end of the day, maybe he just wanted to have a hug and some connection. I'm up here in Ihamurala village, and just walking around. Super beautiful place. A lot of art and handcraft places, and just a lot of random nice things to look at, and Yeah, nice cafes. See. And it's lovely weather here today. I can walk in my t-shirt and it's just perfect temperature. So nice. So I'm on my way to the biggest flea market here in Seoul.
Yes, you're very brave man.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank you.
no, any foreigner try that.
No.